Hello everyone, today we will show you how to paint next to a ceiling or corners and get clean and razor sharp edges. You begin with putting masking tape around the area that you want to paint, along the edges and the corners. Then use acrylic sealant to close the gap between the masking tape and the wall. This way you make sure that no paint goes under the masking tape and gives you rough edges. Now we can start painting, and we want to use a small roll and do the edges first, making sure that we don't go too far across the masking tape to keep the paint in the area that we are painting. We can use the big roller to get ahead faster. Now that the wall is dry, we're going to take a closer look and make sure that paint has evenly covered the surface. In this case, we can see some very faint vertical stripes, means we have to go over once more. That's easy. Now comes the interesting bit, when taking off the masking tape. Do we have nice edges? This looks good. Now we just have to put back the socket and we're done.